Russia has officially introduced its newest main battle tank variant, the T-72B3A, and according to multiple defense reports, the vehicle is now entering military service before deployment to the Ukraine battlefield. But unlike previous upgrades that focused on increasing firepower or mobility, this tank has been designed with one mission in mind: surviving the growing threat posed by FPV attack drones. As drones continue to reshape modern warfare, the T-72B3A could represent Russia's latest effort to keep armored forces effective in one of the most dangerous combat environments in the world. The T-72B3A is based on the well-known T-72B3, one of Russia's most widely operated main battle tanks. Its biggest improvement is the integration of the Arena M active protection system, which is designed to detect incoming threats using radar and destroy them before they can hit the vehicle. Russian sources claim the system can engage anti-tank guided missiles, rocket-propelled grenades, and even certain FPV drones that have become one of the deadliest threats on today's battlefield. Reports also indicate that Russian tank crews have already started training with the new vehicles, suggesting that operational deployment could happen in the near future. While the exact number of tanks entering service remains unknown, their appearance highlights how seriously Russia is taking the challenge posed by drone warfare. The conflict in Ukraine has transformed the role of armored vehicles. Cheap FPV drones carrying explosive warheads have destroyed tanks worth millions of dollars by striking weak points from above. As a result, traditional armor alone is no longer enough to ensure battlefield survival. That reality has forced militaries to rethink tank design. Instead of simply adding thicker armor, they are now combining active protection systems, electronic warfare equipment, and improved battlefield awareness to counter aerial threats. The T-72B3A reflects this changing philosophy. Rather than relying only on passive defenses, it attempts to intercept incoming attacks before impact. Beyond Arena M, the tank retains many of the strengths of the T-72B3 family, including its 125mm smoothbore gun, modern fire control system, improved communications, upgraded armor, and reliable mobility. These features allow it to perform familiar battlefield roles, while offering crews a better chance of surviving increasingly complex combat conditions. Perhaps the most important question is whether Arena M can consistently defeat real FPV drone attacks under battlefield conditions. Modern drones are becoming faster, cheaper, and more adaptable every month, meaning defensive systems must evolve just as quickly to remain effective. The arrival of the T-72B3A shows that the future of armored warfare is no longer defined only by bigger guns or thicker armor. Survival against drones is becoming just as important as firepower itself. Whether this new tank proves successful will ultimately be decided on the battlefield, where technology is constantly being tested under real combat conditions.